5 times 5 minus 5 divided by 5 then plus 2 to the power of 2. What is the answer of this question? Hi friends and welcome to Turbo Maths channel. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 5 divided by 5 then plus 2 to the power of 2. 25 minus 5 equals 20. 20 divided by 5 then plus 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. That shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to this rule, first we simplify the exponent. 5 times 5 minus 5 divided by 5, then plus 4. In this step, we do the multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now we have 25 minus 5 divided by 5, then plus 4. Now we have subtraction, division, and addition. The division has higher priority than addition and subtraction. First, we do this division. Negative 5 divided by 5 equals negative 1. 25 minus 1 plus 4. 25 minus 1 equals 24, and 24 plus 4 equals 28. The final answer is 28. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Goodbye.